Hey everybody, it's Hari Swaminathan. Tuesday, May 26th. We're coming off the long weekend. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Friday was very boring. Everybody was waiting for Janet Yellen, and even after she came, there was just a minor pop, nothing to write home about. I think I was down about $200-300. But here we are on Tuesday. Today, my positions are down about 2,500. So what exactly happened is this morning news came out that Priceline has invested in this Chinese travel company called C-Trip, and if you look at the charts for today, C-Trip was supposed to open up about, I would say, $4 higher, and so after it opened, I bought some options, and it went against you. So this kind of things happen. The market has a way of doing things that you don't expect, because anyway the pre-market it was up $4, so I figured it'll go up some more, but it didn't. And then I took a trade on Apple actually got hammered today, so I've got these positions that I'm managing. But this is exactly the kind of situation that we're going to face, because everybody will face situations like these where on a particular day you're going to have a bad day and your account is down. Now, how are we going to get out of this is really the question. And when you look at the TraderMAX program, you've got to look at these days. So this is the second big losing day I'm having over the past 2 weeks since I started this account. But overall, you can see the account is still, it's 70K. It started at 50, it's up to 70.1, 71 almost. So, the main goal of the program, or for trading in general, is to have your graph go from the left to the bottom left to the top right. And on the way, we might have some losing trades. Now, tomorrow, I don't know. I took these positions in this week's expiry. I don't know if I'll be able to salvage this C-Trip completely. I don't know. I mean, it could be a losing trade. It could lose some money, but that's okay. But how can we minimize the loss? That's really the question here, because as of now, I'm losing about 1,900 or close to 2,000 on that, and then about $500 on Apple. Apple, I think I can definitely come out of, but this is a pretty deep hole of 2,000, $2,000. But even if you reduce the 2,000 to 1,000, that's a great achievement, because the trade has gone bad, and we're going to have bad trades like this. So if you've experienced these kind of trades, what you're going to learn is how can we come out of these situations with maybe perhaps taking a little bruise, but at least reducing the impact as much as you can. Obviously, the ideal thing would be if I can turn C-Trip around and bring it back to a break even or even a small profit, I will obviously take it off. But that's not, that's not going to happen all the time. And you're going to see losing trades. Now, tomorrow, obviously, I'll give an update on what happened. And, this, of course, we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have 3 days for both of these trades, 3 days for this. And, of course, TraderMAX starts next week. So if you want to learn all these, tactics, how do we get out of bad situations, how do we capitalize on good situations, all of that stuff, that's exactly what TraderMAX is going to focus on. So there's still time. Just go to the TraderMAX page, and look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks. Bye bye.